Hi, welcome to English Learning Bee. Today we are going to take a look at digraph word lists with sound buttons. So if you are looking for any English tuition like IELTS, IGCSE, MUVET, SPN, UEC, Secondary, IGCSE, ESL, and IGCSE First Language, primary, kindergarten, preschool, then you're at the right place. Apart from that, if you are looking for adults English, college writing, business English, then you feel free to reach us at WhatsApp number 013-737-9288. Okay, so the first word that we are going to learn today is boat. But how do you pronounce this? Okay, first, the dots means short sounds. So B for B, T for T, O-A for O. O is a long sound. So B-O-T, B-O-T. So boat. Another one is G makes the sound of G. T makes the sound of T. So G-O-T, G-O-T, goat. Another one is F. F makes the sound of V. O-A makes the sounds of O. M makes the sounds of F, O, F, O, So foam, foam. But the is not very long, so just Okay, so foam, foam. And then next one that we are going to look at is T for T, S for S, T for T, O-A for O. So T, O, T, Toast. So toast. Another one is S-O-A-K. How do you pronounce this? I'll let you try. So S for S, K for K, O-A for O. Soak. Soak. So that's how you pronounce it. If you enjoy our video, please give us a thumbs up and follow our page to know more information about English learning and English classes. So I will see you soon.